Welcome to this new CSS lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn about the CSS Background Properties. I have this simple HTML document open. I'm gonna come here to the CSS file and start working with the background properties. The first property we're gonna work with is the background color, and we're gonna work with the body element. So basically we're gonna change the color of the entire page, and to do that we're gonna come here and say background, and we're just gonna give like bright color red. Gonna run it in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, we can also use hexadecimal value to set the color. So I'm gonna put this color 778899, press Ctrl S, go back here, refresh, and there it is. Or we can use RGB value, and the way it works is RGB, then here I'm gonna say 255, 255, and here we go to 24. Let's press Ctrl S to save, go back here, refresh, and that is the background color. We can also let me comment this out. Change the H1 colors if you want the background of the H1 element. So if we take this here like that, come here and do this, let's press Ctrl S, let's go back here, refresh, and there it is. Okay, the next property we're gonna work with is the background image. So I'm gonna comment this out, and come here and do this background, and here I'm gonna specify the path for the image. So I'm gonna use the URL, and here I'm gonna provide the path. So I'm gonna say that it's in my images folder, and the name of the image is wood.jpg. Okay, let me press Ctrl S to save, go back here and refresh, and there it is. That's the image for the background. Okay, I'm gonna come here and change the image. I have this image in my images file. It's called computer.png. Missing a semicolon here. I'm gonna press Ctrl S, go back to my page and refresh, and as you can see, this is my computer.png image, and it's by default repeated both horizontally and vertically. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say background repeat. I'm gonna say no repeat. Okay, press Ctrl S to save, and basically the no repeat image specifies that the image is not repeated, only one copy of the image is drawn. So let's go back here and refresh, and there it is. Okay, we can also do the following: repeat X. Okay, so basically what's going to happen here, it's going to repeat horizontally. Let's refresh it, and there it is. Or we can do repeat Y, which will repeat it vertically. So I'm going to press Ctrl S, come back here and refresh, as you can see, and we can set it back to no repeat. And basically we're gonna come here and say no repeat. Okay. The next property that we are going to work with is the background attachment, and before I do that, I'm gonna click here and come here and press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Let's go back and refresh. Okay, you need to maybe add one more. Okay, we go back here and say background attachment, and basically the background attachment property sets whether a background image is fixed or scrolls with the rest of the page. So let's say here fixed, and press Ctrl S, go back here, refresh. Okay, so here as you can see the image is fixed, but if we comment this out, for example, and go back to our page, refresh it, now you will see that our page, we lose it when we scroll down and up. Okay, and basically these are the background CSS properties that we are going to work with in this lesson. And with this we come to the end of this lesson. I thank you for watching, and you have a good day.